at the Dubai Autodrome on the off-road track, which is actually off-road. They built a track to try out lots of different off-road vehicles. It's got a pretty big steep drop behind me, and we've got a pretty big steep drop in front of us. So let's try it around. And there's another Jeep hopefully coming up there. I'll show you what it's like. And Wranglers making its first attempt up the hill. Hopefully it won't take me out on the way up. Just nice and easy in low range, first gear. There it comes, there it comes. Nice and simple. Looks pretty confident. This is the tricky bit, going down the hill. The trick is actually not to use the brakes. Really steep drop. There he goes. Use the hill descent. Use the hill descent. And look at that, just walks down the hill. Well, I felt like he braked it there. So we're watching the Sunrider come up the hill at the Dubai Autodrome. It's on 37s, 4-inch lift, all MOPAR, all badass. Let's see it climb up. We're hoping it climbs up. Any day now. He's getting up the hill. I'm trying not to fall off the hill. And there she goes. Nice and easy. What a beast. What a enormous Wrangler. And then it goes down the hill. Sorry.
No. This one, Sunrider with a lift here and big wheels and suspension. This is this one. So they how are it?
What do you think, Shazad?
Awesome! Look at that, all up and down like that. It's like a slow motion roller coaster. It's so weird, isn't it? Coming up. Coming up. It's your chance. It's your chance.
Please
to
kill
get your
Shazad.
revenge.
Please kill him. Please kill him. Oh, damn it.
I thought you were going to get your revenge.
We missed the chance to kill him.
I was a kid, we used to go down to the park and there used to be a seesaw. The thing that goes up and down. I'll put my sister on the other side and see if I could knock her off by jumping on one side of it. Yeah, it's a bit of a fool, brother. Now we're going to try a different kind of seesaw. Let's do this. Have a look at this.
Holy mackerel. That wasn't in the owner's manual.
It wasn't in the park either. Didn't let us drive in the park. So the key to this is to find that sweet spot.
Or just roll it over. Don't put your hand under it. Not the sweet spot yet.
Oh yeah, little bit more, little bit more. Section more. That's it. There we go, down! Ah! If she was sitting on the back of that, she would have fallen off for sure. Now we're going back.
Wait, that wasn't. Whoa.
Whoa! What we got this back? We're going to try and find the back. We're trying to find the balance. It's just a little practice. You just missed it by a fraction. Oh well.
And that was seesawing with Shazad. Children, take note.
We're just finishing off here. It's the last exercise of the day. This sort of weird dip thing that we're doing with the cars. But look at that. Look how high it is up there. And then it goes up again here just as it comes up off that ridge. Look, check it out. Look at that wheel there. So I was reaching for the skies. It's amazing what these things can do. I mean, this is a setup, of course, but out in the desert, out in the real world, it's amazing. I mean, if you want to go out somewhere, this has got to be the car to have, isn't it? Even in stock form, it's just incredible. It's been a great day here with Jeep, and I hope you've enjoyed the video.